Supine leg extensions are significantly more difficult than a seated leg extension. Having the monkey foot here is also going to help you activate a lot more of the stabilizers in the knee because it wants to wobble around. And you also need to work on dorsiflexing the toes up toward the shin to help build strength in that tibialis anterior as well. So you're gonna start lying down. This foot, the planted foot, can be wherever you want it to be. I prefer to have the knee bent, driving this foot into the floor. I've got my ribs pulled in here. I'm gonna start with the knee directly over the hip and then extend from there, trying to keep the knee right where it is. I'm not letting that knee shift to me or away from me. I'm trying to keep it nice and isolated in that position. So all the movement is coming around the knee joint here. Now you can play with starting with your knee farther back. That's gonna hit your hip flexor quite a bit, or farther away from you. It's just gonna change. I feel that a lot more in the quad there. It's just gonna change where you feel the activation. Start in a neutral position, start with light weight, build up over time, and then play with different angles of the hip. Now, if you feel this a ton in your hip flexor, like it's working way more than you want it to, you can support yourself holding the leg here, so you're taking less work out of more work out of the hip flexor using your arms, and then extending that leg. So then you're isolating a lot more around the knee. Takes a lot of the burn away from the hip. As soon as I let go, I feel that hip flexor fire up. So it's really up to you on what you're targeting here. It's gonna be a lot more intense, not holding the leg.